one thing for sure, you've never been in Penang unless you go to Penang Hill. Anyway, if you're coming from Georgetown, you can take the bus 204 from the Comtar bus terminal. Just like the Fik in Hong Kong, you have to take the train to go to the top. You can also take a hike if you have the stamina for it. As you can see, the view is so awesome. Penang has a lot of tall buildings too. It's got a pretty good skyline too. And I got this special chickpeas masala. It's very delicious. You really have to try it. By the way, if you have the time, you can go hiking up here on this mountain. I just wish I came earlier so I could have hiked. Also up here, it's got a Hindu temple and also a mosque. What I didn't see was a Chinese temple. By the way, the best time to come here is around late afternoon, around twilight, because the lighting is much better. You get to see Penang at night. Also, it's the best time to take pictures and shoot a video. So definitely don't ever miss coming here if you ever visit Penang, Malaysia. It's definitely worth the visit. So now it's time to go home. Just so you know, there might not be a bus on the way back, so you might have to take the Grab to get back to where you're staying at. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you subscribe so you get some travel advice and travel tips when traveling in Asia.